Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is a talented multitasker with impressive fuel economy, thoughtful safety features, and a powerful performance. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Ecotech engine, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, active noise cancellation, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. Chevy, 100 years of icons. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.